obviously morning time. This is why I look crazy, but let's get into it. So the first thing I like to do is get a little notebook, notepad, something. And this is where I like to like write all my ideas. I just like to go over like if there's anything that I saved on Pinterest, Instagram, or even in my notes, because sometimes I'll have like these random recipe ideas at like 3 a.m. So I like to go through all that and then write them down. So that's what I'm gonna do. You want to make granola, oatmeal, a rough draft of what I want to make. Everything that you wrote down needs ingredients, and sometimes you could even make multiple things with the ingredients that you buy, and you can kind of switch it up and maybe mix it up during the week, but at least you have your base and foundation down, right? So one thing I like to also do is kind of just go through the fridge, see what I have, see what I don't have, a few veggies and whatnot, some herbs. Let's see what I'm gonna wear, because sometimes when I go grocery shopping, I like to pretend like I'm a little housewife, and I'll get like super cute and dolled up, put on my heels, or sometimes I'll just be like, I'm a workout gym girly, and I'll just put my little fitness fit on. This is the look, you feel me? Fitness mommy today. Leggings, a simple braid in my hair, slick back situation because I mean business today. Whenever I grocery shop, I usually go to a few different stores just because different stores carry different things that I like and different brands. And then depending on the quality of the produce, I'll just like to shop around. I like Aldi's because they're very cheap, but because they're cheap, sometimes you don't always get the best quality of stuff. So sometimes I'll come here for like spices or some dry shelf items. I'll check out the produce here and there. Sprouts is one of my favorite grocery stores. They have great quality products, their produce is fresh, and sometimes I just like to look at the vegan friendly items that they have in their stores because there's so many things to choose from, and there are plenty of superfood ingredients and just products in here that every time I go I try to look at something new or get something new if possible. I think it's so funny because everyone just looks at me like, who is this recording? Me. Sprouts selection of plant-based cheeses are ridiculous. Like this olive oil cheese, plant-based cheese. This is brie cheese. Like smoked Gouda style wedges. Oh my god. I'm literally not trying to spend a bag right now and they're about to make me do it. Got Parmesan that you can like literally like, oh my god. Another big reason that I love Sprouts is that they have these bins filled of beans, nuts, seeds, legumes, and all different kinds of superfood powders and flours and chocolates. And it basically is for people who like to get things in bulk, and you actually end up saving more money. And like I said, the quality is supreme. A lot of their things here are organic or just locally sourced, or just something about it, like I don't know, it just hits every time. Almost about a pound. This is everything that I got from the grocery store. Now I gotta unpack it. Honestly, I actually like grocery shopping, so it doesn't really bother me, and unpacking kind of just fills something up inside of me because I have OCD and I like cleaning and I like organizing, so it's just a satisfying feeling whenever I put the groceries away. So it just depends on how I'm feeling after a grocery shop, but majority of the time I will definitely take the time to clean my veggies and my fruits, so I don't have to do that throughout the week. Or there's days where I'm like super lazy or I'm just already tired from grocery shopping, where I will just do that as I'm cooking or as I need, but it's definitely worth it to just get it over with while you do your grocery shopping stuff because you're like already in the groove of things, you know. Also, I definitely do the first in, first out method. So if I went grocery shopping and I got a new item of something that maybe I'm either running out of, or there's something else in my fridge that's like not as fresh, I'll make sure to put what I need to use first in front or visible, just so I'm not wasting food or things don't go bad.
Show you a little healthy snack that I like to make myself sometimes. So whole grain seeded bread. Honestly, you can use whatever type of bread you want, but I don't like to use white bread because cream cheese, sliced apples. Now I put in a little cinnamon. Put as much as your heart desires. This is a judgment-free zone. Boom. Feel me? Now a little agave. You could put maple syrup if you like. Yeah. So because I technically still am on my period, I'm not gonna add any weight, but I'm still gonna do a lower body workout just with my body weight instead. And today's like my third day, so it's not as strong as the first day.
So I definitely listen to myself about having rest days, especially when I'm on my period. But for the most part, working out is a big part of my lifestyle and something that I try to do every day or every other day. It just honestly helps me in every way in my life, like physically, spiritually, mentally. It's just a great way to get your day going, and it honestly makes me motivated to get things done for the rest of the day. And this is also a big reason why I eat healthy, because I like to make sure that I'm fueling my body with things that are going to make it feel good and work properly. Sometimes when I'm feeling it, I like to jump in the pool after a good workout because it just feels good. It's a great way to unwind and relax. And I also use this time to just kind of like decompress from my workout and just think about my day, my life. Sometimes I'll even talk to God. It just depends on my mood, but I definitely have self-reflection time after a good workout.
I want to show you guys. I was just chilling in the pool. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to bother him or him to jump on me, but that is wild. Moments like this, I don't take for granted because you just can't. I'm actually not gonna cook anything new for lunch. I'm just gonna heat some leftovers. Because I don't feel like making anything and it's already cut up for me. That's a big burger. So good.
So sometimes I'll look on Pinterest or TikTok and I'll see a recipe and then immediately I have to make it. So I saw these salmon tofu bites that just inspired me to make some tofu salmon. So I'm just prepping everything up, making my marinade, and then cutting up my tofu so that they can sit in the marinade while I do other work in the meantime. If you know me, you know I love a good matcha, and sometimes I like to have it in the middle of the day or just when I'm feeling like I need a little something. And honestly, like, I could just drink matcha just because.
You know what salmon tastes like?
Mm-hmm.
Take it off me. No, this ain't a phase.